Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a payment form in your WordPress website. So first of all, let me go in website dashboard and you can check the plugins that I have installed, WPForms. So if you want to get this plugin, then simply you need to click on add plugin, and here you can type keyword WPForms. So this one is the free version, and if you want to get the pro version, then you need to go and type here WP Forms. Then you can go on their official website and you can easily get the pro version. Here you can see plugin ratings 6 million plus active installations with 5-star ratings. So now let's go back and click on add new form. And now you can give a name, for example payment form. Then here you can see these are the 2000 plus templates that you can easily use. So let me type here billing, and here you can see this one is special for the PayPal, and this one is for Stripe, PayPal and other different payment gateways. So you can use this one and you can check the demo before using template. So let me go and use the template. So this one is the payment form, and you can change the title. Here you can add any of the title that you want. Then let's go back, and after that you can add the fields that you want. Just you can go and drag the field here. So let me remove extra fields that I don't want to see here, and now I want to change it name only one field. So after that, if you want to make these fields larger, then you can go to advanced tab, then you can make it large. Then scroll down, and after that here you can see these are the available items. So you can change, for example, featured products, whatever title you want to add you can easily do. And these are the pricing and product names. So for example, let me add here t-shirt, and then third one is watches. Then scroll down, and if you want to add image choices, then you can simply add here. So for now, let me disable. You can also add icon choices, as well as you can also add the pricing after the item labels. This one, then this one is total amount. So after that, click on save. Then if you want to add this contact form, simply you can go here embed, then you can easily use shortcode. Let me copy it and create a new page for this form. So for example, payment form. Then you can easily add the form from here, and let me add the form code. Then select the template. After that, click on publish button. So now let's view this form on the front side. This one. So let me go back and change the template to the default. Then reload the page. So this is the form, and here you can see these are the products. So for example, if I click on this product, then here you can see total amount. So if I add next one, so we are not able to select more than one product. And if you want to allow users to add more than one product, then you need to go here and add these field checkbox items. So this will allow user to select multiple items at a single time. And now here you can add the payment gateway. You can go here payments, then you can connect Stripe, Square, payment, PayPal standard, PayPal e-commerce. So to connect PayPal standard, just you can add your PayPal email. Then you can also connect these other payment gateways that depends upon if you have these accounts. So in this way you can easily create payment forms in your WordPress